Unveiling Secrets, the story of Spill the Beans. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an intriguing English idiom that often pops up in conversations, stories, and even movies. Have you ever heard someone say, "spill the beans"? It's a phrase that tickles the curiosity and has a colorful background. Let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your everyday English conversations. Spill the beans is an idiom that means to reveal a secret or disclose information that was supposed to be kept hidden. It's used when someone unintentionally or deliberately shares something that was not meant to be public knowledge. Imagine having a surprise party planned for a friend, but someone accidentally tells the friend about it. They've just spilled the beans. The exact origin of "spill the beans" is a bit murky, but it's believed to have roots in ancient Greece or in American voting practices. One theory suggests that it comes from the Greek method of voting with beans, where white beans indicated a positive vote and black beans a negative. If someone accidentally or intentionally knocked over the jar, the beans would spill, and the previously secret votes would be revealed. This act of revealing secrets morphed into the phrase we use today. Using "spill the beans" is quite straightforward. It's a versatile phrase that fits well in informal settings. Here are a few examples. "I can't believe you spilled the beans about the surprise party. Now the secret's out. Come on, spill the beans. We all want to know what happened at the meeting yesterday. He accidentally spilled the beans about their engagement before the official announcement." It's a fun and expressive way to talk about revealing secrets, and it adds a playful element to conversations. Now that you've got the scoop on "spill the beans," you're all set to use this idiom in your English conversations. Whether you're sharing secrets or talking about someone who has, remember that this phrase is a colorful addition to your linguistic toolkit. Keep exploring the fascinating world of English idioms, and you'll continue to enrich your language skills. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!